Okay, so today I will explain the camera access, how to get the image from the camera. I will create one screen like this. Okay, I will create one screen. So here I will create one button. If you click on this button, it will open the either camera or gallery. Okay, open the camera gallery. Take the picture from the camera and I will display into the one image view. This is a today class. For that, first I need to take image widget and button widget in one column. Okay, and in the action, I will ask the user, would you like to take the picture from the camera or gallery? Based on this camera or gallery, go to the camera. If you click on the camera, open the camera, take the picture and click on the save and come back to the what you are clicked from the camera, that image I will display into the image view. Okay, if I select the gallery, you'll open the gallery and take the picture and display on the image view. Okay, so this is today class. The first one is the step. The step one is first create one screen. Design the screen with image and button. Third one is implement button action. In that action, ask the user to take the picture from camera or gallery. And fifth one is we need to depend on the one package. We need to depend on the one package. Go to pub.dev and search for image picker package. Now let me see. This is image picker. This is image picker packages. Okay, so Flutter dev only. These are the readme file. We need to follow this readme file. Okay, so let's and install in your project. Okay, these are the steps. These are the 5 steps. First, I need to implement. First thing, I will implement the 3 steps. I will implement the above 3 steps. Now, what is the first step is create a one screen. Okay, so here right click on the lib, right, create a new file. New file. File name is, take the picture. Take the picture dot dot. This is our file name, the class name, the widget name. The first is stateful and import the material app dot dot. Let's go to any screen. We'll copy this one, material dot dot. I'll go here and import the material dot dot. Okay, after that, this error will go on after importing that. And next one is first created one screen and then design the screen with image and button. Image and button. So here I will take scaffold widget. Scaffold widget. Inside the scaffold widget, tab bar. Tab bar, title, text, title is, check the picture. And next, in the body, I will take one container. The container, I will use the property called width and height. This container I need to fill total screen based on the screen width and height. Media query of context dot size dot width. Same for height. For height, media query of context dot size dot height. And next one is child. Inside the child, I will take the column widget. Column widget. So as per my design, I need to take two widget. One is the image widget and one is the button widget. Okay. So image, for image, we are taking the picture, right? Image dot, I will give as a file. Okay. Here I need to give the file name. Okay. For now, I will comment on this one. Okay. For now. Later I will explain that how to give the file to the image. And here, take the text button. Text button and on the press and on press and child is text. Take the picture. Okay, take the picture and comma. This should be in middle of the screen. I want to these two widgets inside the children of the column need to put into the middle of the screen. Okay, so I'll give the main access element dot center Now in the button action as per the my steps, okay, I want to implement the button action. Okay, in that action ask the user to take the picture from the camera or gallery. So here In the button action, I want to show one alert message to choose the user from camera or gallery. Okay, so we'll take a separate method. Instead of writing this code inside the on press, I will take separate method. Inside the method, I will call the this method. Okay, so void take the picture, take the picture, take the picture. This method I will call inside the button action. Take the picture. But here, so how to show the option to how to show the option to user is using the alert dialog. I'll show the option to the user as camera or gallery. This method asks the user to take the picture from camera or gallery. After that, then write the code for take the picture and here alert dialog. So first this alert dialog I will display on show dialog. Inside the show dialog, here I will implement the alert alert dialog. Okay, so I will implement the alert dialog. In the return alert dialog. Inside the alert dialog, the few properties of alert dialog is which property I'm going to use of the alert dialog is alert dialog properties are title, content, action. Okay, so and the action will give the two buttons. Okay, two buttons. One button for cameras and another buttons, second button for gallery. So this is the two option I'm giving to the user to choose any option. The content, okay, content is the title. I will give the take the picture is a title. Content, would you like to take the picture from camera or gallery? This is a content I will display into the alert dialog box. Okay, now I'll go to the alert dialog. I need to implement the this property inside the alert. The title is I'll display the content, right? So now I'm going to take text widget. The text widget inside the message is take take the picture. Take the picture. And the content is and again comma another property called content, another property called content. Inside the content, this content I'm going to display and comma another property called action. Another property called action. This action, so I need to give two options. One option for the camera button action, another option for the gallery button action. So here I'll use the text button in the on press. Title of this button is camera. Okay, and here text button, text button, text button. This text is gallery. Okay, so far we completed the third step. Third step in this action, ask the user to take the picture from camera or gallery. Okay, now this method is completed. Now if user is click on the camera, okay, so again I will take another method. Method name is, see guys, I'm going to split the code, okay, to easy to understand and reusable this code. Okay, take the picture from camera. This is one method. Why take the picture from gallery? This is another method. So here inside this action, inside the action, take the picture camera. I'll call here, and in the gallery, take the picture from gallery. Okay, so two methods are called. Okay, now first of all, this action I call the take the picture method. In this method, I call the show alert. Inside the show alert, display the alert dialog. In the alert dialog, implement the two buttons. One is the text button for the camera, another for gallery. In this text button action, I call another method. Take the picture from camera and gallery. Here, I need to write the code for the camera. Here, I need to write the code for the gallery. Okay, so three steps is the fourth step is completed, and the fifth one is the fifth one is go to pub.dev and search for image picker. I'll go to the pub.dev. So here, so this is the image picker. Again, I will repeat pub.dev, type image picker and click on enter. Okay, it will open. It will open the number of options. From there I choose this picker. Okay, so how to install, you can see this in this, you can see this is a readme file section, and this is a installation section, and this is a example section. Okay, so now the popularity is 100%. Definitely we can use this package, no doubt at all. Okay, so now the publisher is Flutter.dev only. Okay, so and recently they published 18 days ago. Okay, this SDK platform support Android, iOS, Linux. And next one is a Flutter plugin for iOS, Android web picker image. Okay, so the taking no picture with the camera. Okay, the installation process, first add image picker as a dependency in pubs.ml. Okay, so this is the steps, how this is installation step, how to add the dependency to my pubs.ml. Okay, So here there is an install section. Click on the install section. In the install section, you can see run this command. What is the command? Flutter pub add image picker. Okay, this is also another way. Just to copy the image slash image underscore picker into the pub.ml. But this is easy. I will copy this, and execute the in my terminal. Okay, I'll copy here. There is a copy option is there. Copy here. I'll go to my project. Inside my project, this is a Flutter pub add image picker. Now we can see the before adding this camera picker, go to the pubs.ml. This is my previous packages. Once run this command, once run this command, see in the 42 line, my package is installed automatically. Flutter pubget is called. So this is way of downloading the packages of the image picker into my project. Okay, and now again I'll go to the pub.dev. In the readme file, you can see the readme file. It will explain about how to use this package. Okay, so how to use this package. So now Flutter is supported to platform iOS, Android, Mac OS. Presently, I will explain about iOS and Android only. We need to configure the few things. Okay, so we need to configure the few things into the Android manifest file and iOS info.plist file. See, for the iOS, add the following key to info.plist. Why? Because of you can see. I will show you some images in the if you want to if you want to take the picture. Initially the application is asking about this permission to the user. You can see the permission of the user. You can see this is a permission. See, you can see the permission. This pop-up automatically come. Yellow app to access photos, media, and files on your computer. This is automatically will get a two option, deny and allow. So this pop-up, if you want to, this is a OS level pop-up. Okay, if you want to access the camera, we need to ask the access to user. So for that, we need to configure the few things into the Android manifest file. Okay, Android manifest file. So if you add the manifest file, automatically this pop-up will come. When I click on the yellow, then only we can access the camera. Then only we can access the camera. Okay. So for Android, I need to give the permission access. I will go to the Android folder. See guys, Android app SRC main. So inside see Android app, I will write here configure configure the configure the permission in Android. Steps. First one is open Android folder, then app, then src, then main, then I can find Android manifest.xml. Okay, so open Android folder, app, src, main, Android manifest file. In this manifest file, we need to configure the permission related thing. Okay, so here I opened the Android app, src, main, and click on the manifest file. This is a manifest file. Inside the manifest file, after start the manifest before application tag, I'll copy the few permissions. Okay, so this is a permissions. So where can I get these permissions? Okay, I will tell you that. Just type Android, Android, Android manifest permissions, intent permissions. If you click on here, go to the Android, the permissions of the Android developers, then you can find all the permissions here. See the connected network. This is a permissions. I will show you. This is only permissions. Now you can see the list of permissions. Okay, see use library. See the permissions are what are the permissions is there. You can see this one. Categories, applications, path permissions. So here I'll choose that camera, 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 camera permissions, and this is a few permissions. From there, see these are the some constants of the permissions. From here, or else you go here. I copied this permission from here also. Okay, permission dot external storage, permission dot read external storage. So this is way of reading the external storage. Okay, so here I will show you that first camera permissions. Let's say Android permission. See, this is a this is a permissions. You can see these permissions. Camera. This is a camera permission. I copied here. Then I go here and pasted into the here. This is the permissions name. External permission. Read external camera. Okay. Now see here you can wherever find that these are the same Wi-Fi. If you want to Wi-Fi and phone number, we can get all this from here only. Okay, I copied the permissions here. These three camera permissions, read external storage, write external storage. The permission is completed. So, okay, I gave the permissions. That is a completed. Then again, I'll come to the coding part. So here in the library, go to my code. Take the picture from camera as per the only I did in Android only. Okay, if you want to configure in iOS, see this iOS configuration will put into the add. I will show you that also. Configure the permissions iOS. For iOS, add the some following keys into info.p list located in project root iOS runner info.p list. Okay, I will open that. You can identify iOS. Where is the iOS? iOS runner. You can see the info.p list here in the inside this dictionary tag. Inside the dictionary we need to add some keys, key and value. Okay, again to I'll go here. We need to add this one: photo library, camera usage, and microphone usage. Three keys we need to add. Okay, again I will go here. Camera access permissions, iOS. See, go here. These are the keys. Okay, so in folder playlist we can add these keys: photo library description, camera usage description. Okay, so here in the description I'll copy this one. I go to the info.plist and the below of this one I pasted here. 1 second, it's not copied. See here, this is a key: library description, usage description. So this is our information. We can add our information. Need to access photos library from provider from profile image. To capture the profile photo, please grant the camera access. These are the keys are added. So I done the. This is a configuration. This is very important, guys. See, first of all, installation done, and we configured in the Android and we configured in iOS. Okay, now what is the next one is how to take the picture. Okay, how to take the picture. You can see here in this if you want to take the picture, just use the source as a gallery. Okay, if you want to take the picture from the camera, use the camera. Okay, got it right? If you want to select the multiple images, we can call this one. This is examples of how to use the this package to take the camera or gallery images. Okay, again I'll copy this one, this three. First of all, I copy the this three, and I'll go the I'll go to my file. Just I commented this. I'm going to use this one. Okay. So first of all, we need to take the first in the 79. I copy the 70 line. I'll paste here. This image picker library for this image picker library image picker. Okay. So this is our package. So automatically the package imported. Okay. So image picker. Inside the image picker, the picker dot picker dot pick image. Okay, one method is there. In the pick image, we are going to pass the source of the picture. This method is the source of the method of the picture is camera. Okay, the source is image source dot camera. Okay, this method the pick image method returns the future x file. Future x file means this is a asynchronous method. Okay, so this method we need to call with await. Okay, if you use the await, this method should be asynchronous method. So change to asynchronous. After getting this information, the X file I want to store into the one variable. Okay, so image image file. This is a my one variable. Similar like that, the differentiation is same, copy and paste the two lines and paste here, and again I change it to this method is asynchronous. Just change the instead of the camera, I change the gallery. That's it. This is a differentiation for camera source and gallery source. Now, after getting the image file, that file only it's this variable is available only within the brackets only, but this image I want into the globally. For that, the image, what is the type of image is X file. Okay, X file. So this file will take a global variable as a X file. Okay, so this X file first now I will assign this image file to the text file. Set state, this is the stateful widget. I will use the set state. Okay, and what is the image file? Okay, we can put like same name is there, right? So I will take uh, um, name picture image, something like that. Okay, picture info or something like that. Okay, picture. Okay, picture picture file or something. So this is a file, and that file in set state picture file equal to image file. This is where we assigning the get. So after taking the picture, this method automatically open the camera, take the picture, and that picture will assign to the our global variable into the set state. Similar like that, same copy and paste here. We can use this one. Okay, so this is a implementation of the taking the picture now. Okay, I think so far is done. That's only one pending is after the taking the picture I want to display into the screen. For that, image dot file, in this file I'm going to pass. First check this. Actually initially picture file is null value. Okay, if is a picture is null, if is a picture equal to picture, if is a picture is there, we'll use the image dot file. Otherwise we load some small sized box. That's it. We'll use the sized box. So here picture file not equal to null. Okay, check this condition. Picture not equal to null means we have the some picture initially the null value is there. Okay, so now if is not equal null, load the image file. If is a null means initially there is no file. So that case I will use the size box as a empty. Okay, so here we need to pass the as a file. Okay, the file. Okay, so from there picture file dot path is coming. You can see the path, but this path will load into the this path is string, but is expecting the file type. Okay, the file of here pass this value picture path. Okay, okay, so this is way of taking the picture after initially this value is null. Okay, initially is null and loaded the sized box. After taking the picture, that picture we are assigned in the set state, the value assigned to the picture into the set state. Once the set state added, the build method called again. Now the picture has a some file not equal to null, then this file is loaded inside the image. Okay, I will give the width and height of the image also. Okay, width we can use width is 250, let's say height is 250. Okay, so this is a implementation of the taking the picture from the camera or gallery. Okay, let's run this project. Okay, so after run this project, so when I click on the text picture, she's asking this. So would you like to take the picture from camera or gallery? So if you click on the gallery, it will open the gallery. Okay, from there you can choose any picture from there, and you can load the picture. You can see the picture is loaded. This is the take the picture from the gallery. So if I want to select the picture from the camera, it will again it asking the this one yellow November batch. This is our project name while using the app, or only this time. Okay, so now only this time. So when I click on this camera, it will open this one. Okay, it will open our camera. This is a camera. You can see when I click on this picture, this when I click on the picture. Okay. This dismiss pop-up is not dismissed. I will write the some code for that. Okay, you can see the picture. So this is way of taking the picture from the camera or gallery.